Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Amazon coupon code on DealSeek. So if you're looking for Amazon coupon codes on DealSeek, here's how the process works. Open any of the web browser and in the top there's an address bar, type down dealseek.com and enter it. And you'll get into this interface here. What you need to do is select this promo codes in the top. And from here you can find all of the promo code details and simply select one of this. And here you can simply copy code and open Amazon here. And what you need to do is you can simply select buy now and proceed and follow the on-screen instructions. And that is it. During the Amazon checkout, locate the gift card and promotional codes box, paste the code and click apply. And if the code is valid and your order meets the requirement, the discount will appear in your order summary. And that is it. This is how you can get Amazon coupon code on DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.